Are you going to go for a bike ride? Are we going to go for a bike ride? Do you want to try it? Huh? Are you going to try going for a bike ride? It'll be fun. Your first bike ride, okay? Let's make it count. If you're, I'm not sure if any of you guys know, but been on a bike before? So, you ready? See if we can get you up these stairs. Oh my goodness, this is heavy, eh? Okay, so first we'll just go for a little walk, right? See how you like it? We'll just go for a little walk. See how you like it? Then we'll go to a flat place, right? You're being such a good girl. And it's a perfect thing for you, isn't it? You love biking. You used to go for bike rides with your dad, remember? Huh? Don't fall over, Danita. This is a big, heavy bike. This is a big, heavy bike. Right? We're just gonna go for a little ride, okay? We go up the back alley where there's no cars. Let's try that. Let's try that, okay? Okay, Mom's gonna get on now. Ready? Whoa! Gotta keep going. Keep going. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay, it's a little hard to get on the bike when it's... Let's put it this way. Actually, let's do this. Let's turn around. This isn't working. Okay, we'll go slow. What do you think? Do you like it? Are you holding on? That's a good girl. Hey? Do you like it? I think that we could put the assist down a little bit. Just to 1. Maybe we need a better grip for you. Huh? Do you like it? Is it fun? You go a little faster this time? You don't want to go too fast because then you're going to get your wings out, right? Like you're flying. That'll make a big kerfuffle. Do you like that? Said hi to someone. It's bumpy. Hold on, Kiwi. Bumpy. That's really good. Are we almost home?